Welcome to Daddy's show. We're finding great animals today. Hi. Come closer. And see right here, there's a big footprint. It might be Bigfoot's sister. As you follow it up. Okay. It started from right there. But where did it come from? Should I go around it once more? I'm using my instincts. It happens all the time. Oh no! Over there. It is the animal in its natural habitat. What? Is it a gorilla? It's dark skin. It might be Baboon's sister. If you go too close to it, it will charge. Let's go see! Look at the face. It needs proactive. Look at the mustache. Look, it's wearing Adidas Sambas. They don't make it in America. Run! Come back here! Now you monster! Watch me next week, okay? When I get mauled by a gorilla!
Ow!